Alright guys, here's the deal. I started this video and didn't record properly, so I busted one pack and we'll get back into it. But real quick, I want to introduce the product to you. It's a 1997 product. It's one of the lower end companies that was trying to make their way in the late 90s. They're called Genuine Article. This is Dream Picks. You're guaranteed 3 autographs. This set features 1995, 96, and 97 draft picks, and it's a decent product. You also can pull one of 5 different players part of this basketball pick set they had. So let's get into it, and I'll show you what I got in the first pack. Cedric Shaw, Derek Mason, Michael Booker, Antoine Smith, Cedric Shaw, Michael Booker, and a Kerry Kittles preview for the basketball product. This was a product that obviously they only had license with the college teams. They didn't have pro license. Very much like a Sage type product. I'm not going to go through every card. We'll definitely go through the autographs. Is that James Cunningham? That was a special insert they had. Chris Miller, Mike Allstott. These cards are sticking together. Terry Glenn, Chris Miller, Tiki Barber. I happen to have this sitting around at my dad's house. Figured I'd go ahead and bust it, film it, show you guys. I'm sure some of you guys have never even seen this product before. I don't remember how much it was going for at the time. I want to say it was probably close to about $100 a box, roughly. It was very similar to the Ricky Signatures product. But you are guaranteed 3 autographs. It's not like a lot of these products nowadays where they say, oh, on average, you'll get whatever. You're guaranteed on the box, which I like that. There's an actual NFL picture, but notice you can't see the NFL logo. The Allen Iverson preview. The basketball previews are kind of shitty, the pictures and the design, the way they put them together. This is what a pack looks like. As you can see, there's a lot of players that they repeat. They have multiple cards. There's an autograph. James Cunningham. It's numbered out of 7,500. So a lot of you guys complain about autographs numbered out of 1,000 or jersey cards numbered out of 1,000, whatever. I think that's worse than you could complain about. So we should be getting 2 more autographs. Here's another one. Leland McElroy. That's numbered out of 1,500. So these cards are stuck together. Packs left after this one. Seems like all the autographs are on the top. There's another autograph. Antoine Smith, numbered out of 5,000. Well, pretty much what I expected on the autographs. Nothing spectacular. There's a Kareem Abdul-Jabbar insert. Last pack. We're not going to do anything in this. So I think you can see why this product and this company no longer exists. But you know, it's fun opening packs like always. So thanks for watching. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe.